Alright, I got that jack shaft in place. Made these bolt-on mounts here. Still gotta make all the shims for to keep the wheel in place here, and the spacers, you know, and from coming back and forth. And got the muffler sort of in place here. Made little brackets off of there. Hopefully it won't be too much heat on the bottom of the head there, but maybe I'll wrap the pipe and make a little guard there. I still got to connect the exhaust here. Just trying to keep it within its realm here. So that's looking pretty good. And I got the whole bottom mounts here in place. And the engine plate. And also been working on this drift bar. Got it in place here. It's looking good. I made the stops with a piece of bar here. And I could weld on little shims here, however far I want this to tilt, and put this little hoop on here because that bar seemed to be deflecting a little bit. Just welded it on this side, so that's looking good. Okay, I started to position the engine. I'm going to put one bar in the front here and two in the back. It's pretty close here, so definitely going to have to build some kind of shield around there so keep the heat off. And you know, the bars are going to come down here, so that'll keep your legs away from it. And I think it'll be plenty strong. Probably going to put some little braces in front here to triangulate that, because your feet will be out here. And then I'm going to make some little foot dishes there for your heels. And the gas pedal is going to be sticking off the front over here. I think that'll be good. Okay, I got the framing built here, and made some supports there for the front of it, and the back here. It's made these go in, and then your legs kind of sit against here. That'll keep you away from the engine. And I'm gonna block this all off with sheet metal and make a bar from there to there so your thighs don't smack on the muffler here. And made the floor pans here. Got some extra round bar under there for support. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna need casters under here, so we'll try it and see how it goes. And this is all pretty solid. I didn't make those spacers for the jack shaft and the wheel yet. Still gotta get them all in line, figure out where they need to be. And that's about it. All I got done now. Yep. Alright. Hey guys, another thing I've been working on is this tree fort here out in the middle of the woods. It's a big old pine tree that broke off there in the last storm we had, so I kind of fell down here. Already cut it all up, and so I figured it's in this nice open area, so I figured it'd be nice to build a fort up there. I don't hunt or anything, but it's just for fun. It's about probably about 20 feet up. I kind of see how I made it. I like notched the top of the trees there for the 2x8, and then I built the framing around that, tied it into the tree there, these diagonals. And I'm not sure how I'm going to make the ladder to get up yet. Probably up through the middle somewhere. And still got to put one more diagonal brace on there. And then I could put the deck boards on. And probably just do a railing around it. I don't plan on building a whole house up there. I got these deck boards. So it's still got a little bit of tree sprouting out right here, pine tree. So maybe it'll come back to life a little bit. But I already named it the Crowsnest. So that's another thing I've been working on. Alright, talk to you later guys.